Hi y'all. Okay, before I get started, I want to show you this big old pack of chicken I got for $11.83. Hold on, it looks like it's about 30 wings in here. I'm not sure though. It was $1.79 a pound at Sam's Club. I went with my daughter as a guest. I got this big old thing of wings. So I'm getting ready to wash, cut, season, marinate, and vacuum seal my wings. So I just wanted to show you what I'm starting with. And I will be back when I'm actually vacuum sealing. Okay, bye. Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to dedicate a short video to just cutting up chicken wings. Not everybody knows how to cut up a chicken wing. You know, cut the little tip off and then section it and cut the other piece and the other piece. So I just want to show you, and it won't be long. Okay. I washed my chicken wings. Okay. I got me some good kitchen shears. They don't have to look like this as long as they're good and sharp and they are kitchen shears. And I ain't talking about the Dollar Tree kitchen shears. If you can find some that will handle cutting through gristle, then get them. Okay, here's a wing. A regular old wing. You find the joint of the wing. Position the scissors in between the joint and it'll snip. It cuts the gristle. If you have a hard time cutting, then you must be out of bone. So you have to reposition your shears. Same thing with this part of the chicken. You want to section it more. Do it like this. Keep your fingers out the way and just cut right through the gristle. I'm going to do a couple more. I'm positioning this right in the bend of the chicken wing. Nice and easy. Same thing, I'm going to fold this chicken wing. I'm having a hard time, so it's not positioned right. So I'm repositioning these shears and cut right through the gristle. If you have a hard time cutting through the bone, it can be done, but it's easier just to do it right to start with. Right in that joint there. Snip it off. And you can either save these wings and freeze them for when you want to season something. Throw them right in your soup pot or string beans. And it seasons very well. Some people eat the chicken wings, the wing tips. I don't. We grew up eating chicken necks though. So, told you it's going to be short. One more. Hold the wing like this. Put it right in that joint right here. You can actually see the joint. Cut it in this joint. Okay. Short and sweet video. Mama taught me how to cut up chicken, whole chicken, when I was a little girl. And I don't cook whole chicken. So if I ever cut up a whole chicken, I'll show y'all that too. So I want to thank you for watching this little how to cut up chicken wing tutorial. Thumbs up, nice comment, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.